Amazing 10K lot, multiple living spaces, updated for moving for today, and huge potential for tomorrow. 萬尺大地，拎包入住，未來潛力無限。而家拎包入住又得，等未來潛力更加得啊！Palo Alto querido
Ramona Street, बड़े कहानी शुरू होती है.
In the heart of Palo Alto, where air expands quietly unfolds. On Ramona Street, where life slows down, where space, light, and calm take hold.
阳光落下，空间延伸，这是少有的从容与自在。The main home offers 3 beds, 3 baths, thoughtfully shaped for the rhythm of life.
Updated spaces, clean and bright.
Moving ready, timeless and refined. And beyond the main home, a rare surprise. 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, a living space of its own. For family, for work, or quiet retreat. Privacy lit, beautifully shown. 3150 Ramona Street, a place where home and future meet. A private pool, the California sun. Indoor, outdoor living, perfectly done. Walk to award-winning Palo Alto schools. Land, flexibility, value that lasts.
This property gives you something that's extremely rare in Palo Alto. A beautiful home today and serious upside for the future. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Buying or selling a home? Just say when.
3151 Ramona Street,
Where space and future finally meet.